Welcome to SUSTEC Integrated Technologies, a solution provider company that offers an end-to-end LoRaWAN system. LoRaWAN is recognized as the DNA of IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things. Being a LoRa Alliance member and a system integration company with an experienced team in different applications and sectors, SUSTEC has developed various urban infrastructure applications. One of our efficient systems is the Smart Landscaping System, which can add value to municipalities and developers. We are proud to offer our expertise in the field of LoRaWAN and are excited as the possibilities for IIoT solutions unfolds. Our Smart Landscaping System is designed to improve the efficiency of maintaining public spaces, conserve resources, and enhance the overall aesthetics of urban environments. SIT Smart Irrigation System features 3 stages. The first stage contains nodes: wireless LoRa solenoid valves node, wireless LoRa soil moisture measurement node, wireless LoRa water meter, wireless LoRa soil pH measurement node, wireless LoRa weather station node, and wireless LoRaWAN main isolation valve. Second stage is the LoRaWAN gateway with 4G backhaul. And the third stage is the monitoring and control or SCADA platform, which we will know more about later. On our first stage, we have our wireless LoRa solenoid valves. This is an automated watering system that monitors water flow, ensuring no wastage and providing sufficient water to each plant. The wireless LoRa soil moisture measurement node are smart sensors with advanced merge type to check soil moisture levels in real time and provide the right amount of water for your plants to flourish. The wireless LoRa soil pH measurement node will assess soil health to tailor the perfect fertilizer blend and determine the right amount your plants need to thrive. Our system identifies the best time to irrigate your garden, optimizing water usage for maximum effectiveness. The wireless LoRa weather station measures humidity, temperature, rain, and wind speed. These real-time weather data helps us make informed decisions on when to irrigate or pause watering to minimize wastage. The LoRaWAN water meter monitors and measures the flow of water. It accurately measures the volume of water passing through a pipe. We introduce our smart solenoid valve, the pinnacle of IoT landscaping. Powered by LoRaWAN technology, it brings a new level of efficiency to your irrigation systems, giving you full control over your irrigation systems from anywhere, at any time. LoRaWAN technology enables landscaping operations and management to gather real-time data through smart sensors. These sensors monitor critical factors like soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and more. Our advanced LoRaWAN gateway is equipped with a 4G backhaul, providing seamless connectivity for IoT devices across vast areas with low power consumption. It acts as a bridge and receives the data packets from the end devices such as sensors and IoT devices, and forwards them to the network server through backhaul connectivity. The gateway ensures swift data transmission to the cloud, where it is processed and analyzed. The Control and Monitoring Platform, or SCADA, uses this information to optimize and manage irrigation schedules. Our platform facilitates real-time data acquisition from connected sensors, ensuring you have up-to-date information on soil conditions, weather patterns, and water usage. No matter how vast your operations are, you can oversee everything at your fingertips. The result is an irrigation system that is not only efficient but also precise, delivering the right amount of water exactly where and when it's needed. With a dedicated team and cutting-edge technology, We're here to demonstrate how smart landscaping can elevate your outdoor experience while preserving our precious resources. Join us as we unveil the harmony between nature and innovation in smart landscaping with SUSTEC integrated technologies.